This is You Are My Sunshine, but about the Texas school finance system, Robin Hood, and recapture. You take our tax base, our local tax base. You take our dollars away each day. Through recapture and Robin Hood plans to help all schools across the state. Some schools have big funds, some hardly have none. So Texas try to make things more fair. The wealthy districts send out their money to help all kids get equal care. Well, we're still teaching and always reaching to help our students grow and shine. Grow and recapture gets a bit higher. It feels like budgets are falling behind. So take our tax base, our local tax base, but keep remembering what students need. Strong education for every classroom and every child for every dream. That's the end, but don't mind that.